Start. Yeah.
And your class?
And class 10?
Class 10. My name is Amichara. My mother name is Mitraura.
No, leave no.
My father name is Binaira. My village name is Goralipusa. My district name is Gumla. I read in class 2. My name is Vidyanira. My village Goralipusa. My district is Gumla. I read in Prem class.
Yeah, anum akun nim kuduk nu tengke ho. Chale kuduk nu tenggar apna tanga tengke kuduk nu. Tengke full pertica.
Sa.
और जिला हाँ और एका क्लास नु पछदी which class you read prem class tell there after next you tell kuduk nu tenge kuduk nu और